Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to transfer your domain from Namecheap to Hostinger, step by step, with all the latest settings. We'll also fix the common error, domain is locked at the current registrar, which shows when your domain is still locked inside Namecheap. But first, you need to unlock your Namecheap domain and get the authorization code, also called the EPP code. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Namecheap account. Go to namecheap.com, click Sign In, and enter your credentials. Once logged in, go to Domain List from the left menu. Find the domain you want to transfer. Step 2. Unlock your domain. Click the Manage button next to the domain. Scroll down to the Sharing and Transfer section. You'll see a switch labeled Domain Lock. If it says On, click to turn it off. This unlocks the domain so it can be moved out of Namecheap. If you don't unlock it, you'll see the error. Domain is locked at the current registrar when trying to transfer on Hostinger. Step 3. Get the authorization code, EPP code. Right below the domain lock setting, find Transfer Out. Click on Get Auth Code. The code will either be displayed or emailed to your registered address. This code is needed when you initiate the domain transfer at Hostinger. Step 4. Start domain transfer on Hostinger. Go to hostinger.com, log into your account, go to Domains. Then, Transfer Domain. Enter your domain name, like example.com. Paste the authorization code, EPP. Proceed with the payment if required. Hostinger will begin the transfer. Step 5. Wait for the transfer to complete. Domain transfers can take 5 to 7 days. You'll get email notifications from both Namecheap and Hostinger. Approve the transfer when prompted to speed up the process. Important requirements. Your domain must be older than 60 days. WHOIS protection should be disabled. Temporal. Ensure your contact email is valid and accessible. DNS settings will remain the same initially, but review them after transfer. Same process applies to other registrars. This method works not just for Namecheap, but also when transferring domains from GoDaddy, Google Domains, Bluehost, BigRock, Dynadot, HostGator, to Hostinger. Just unlock your domain, get the EPP code, and transfer. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and check the description for related tutorials on GoDaddy, Google Workspace, and other domain tools. Drop a comment if you get stuck. I respond to all questions.